In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Moomoo. We'll walk through logging in on the desktop app and through a web browser, and I'll share a few quick security pointers so your account stays protected. Keep your login details handy and make sure you're on a trusted internet connection as we go. Let's start with the desktop app. Open the Moomoo desktop application on your PC or Mac. As soon as it launches, you'll land on the login screen. Here, enter your email, phone number, or user ID along with your password, and then select Login. Double-check for common mistakes like an extra space or caps lock turned on, since passwords are case-sensitive. If you previously signed in using Google, you may see a prompt asking you to log in with Google instead. In that case, simply follow the on-screen process to authenticate with your Google account. This keeps your sign-in method consistent and helps avoid errors. If the app takes a moment after you press login, don't click repeatedly. Let it finish connecting to prevent accidental lockouts. Now let's cover logging in through a web browser. Open your preferred browser and go to the official Moomoo login page at https://passport.moomoo.com. On the site, choose Login. Enter your email, phone number, or user ID and your password. If you're asked to complete an extra security step, like entering a code sent by SMS or email, follow the prompt and type in the code before it expires. If you signed up or previously logged in using Google, you may again see a reminder to use your Google sign-in. Just proceed with that option and complete the Google authentication flow to access your account. As a best practice, verify you're on the genuine Moomoo website by checking that the address bar shows the correct URL and a secure connection. A few important security tips before we wrap up. If you're signing in on a device for the first time, Moomoo may require two-factor verification via a code sent to your phone or email. This is normal and helps protect your account. Keep your phone or email inbox nearby. Never share verification codes with anyone, and avoid logging in over public Wi-Fi if you can. If you're using a shared computer, remember to close your session when you're done. That's it. With the desktop app or the web browser route, you now know exactly how to log into your Moomoo account smoothly and securely.